What's up, guys? This is Salta Gaming here. We're building our PC finally. I already did the 16 gigs of RAM and the AMD processor. So now we're just gonna put the brass standoffs in the case.
Turn off the TV.
Please shut off the TV. Don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, different standoff. That one's stripped. There's longer standoffs. Probably Tom, a bit better. There's longer standoffs.
That'd be smart enough.
Yeah, kinda.
The big ones?
Yeah, I'm taking all the little ones out that they had pre-installed. Dude, just stay out. Crap standoff. Good standoff.
Okay.
What?
What is it?
The boogie board. It's my sister's. It's a stupid thing that you write on.
She really had to get one?
Yes, she had to get one because Anna had one.
You serious?
Yes.
Oh, this is dope.
The keyboard? Wait till you go downstairs by my PlayStation 4 and the 3. You love it down there. Freaking the 27-inch curved monitor. Okay, this one does not want to go in. Don't. That bottom piece pops off. I haven't popped it all the way on yet.
Oh. So I shouldn't be flipping it upside down then, huh?
No.
This is your mouse. Is this supposed to be like this?
Yeah.
Is this a get better one?
I'm actually not going to put that standoff in. Don't judge me. Finally! Freaking! My dad left, so it's a bit more happy in here. Pissing person yelling at me every 5 seconds I do something.
So what? Do I go down to the PlayStation 4 or do what?
Just look down there.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Is there a light right here?
Should know where the light is. I need to make this fast, dude. I don't have very much storage on that phone. The white part, the white TV,
Yeah.
that's a little 4K TV. And then
What's the other thing? Your monitor.
the big one's a monitor for the computer. I was just testing it out and changing all the settings on it.
Starting it. Hold this, I want to go see. Right over here.
How's she working now? I don't have a freaking 50-year-old, 55-year-old yelling at me.
Yeah.
Nope.
Jesus Christ. Dropping freaking parts already, man.
Oh, my sister started touching. Do you know how AMD, guys, has the little? No. My
Hair's not even messed up.
hair is messed up.
Yeah, that's what I meant. It's messed up. Bad Ed.
Sleeping all day. Tired.
What'd you do?
I thought I stripped this thing out.
Is it intact for a while? Oh, yeah, this is. It ain't going nowhere.
Good thing I'm 55, you'll tell me to do it when I do. Yeah, he's like, I do more things to kill an elephant. I'm like, yeah, but you never built a computer. Did you do research on a computer? No. Did you even try to attempt to build a computer? You do.
Hotline.
Is that your parents? Tell them you're in my house, okay? It's steady, Dad. Freaking. PSU, where's that supposed to be? Okay,
Go help Dad fix the washing machine.
Go help him, dude.
You'll probably be back like in 5 seconds.
The power supply. Doing all the freaking cable management right now on this thing. Ways. But this
Bubble wrap! Bomb the Asians!
bomb the Asians. Why are you racist? Ugh,
They all died. Wait, one more bomb.
shut up. Jesus freaking Christ.
Another one.
Dude, please no.
Oh, another one. I like brick things. See?
Sounds like a freaking gun.
Love my pink jacket, right?
No one loves your pink jacket.
It's pretty, sexy. Still got the.
Your mom's is who it is.
Actually, not.
What, you took it from your mom?
Kinda.
Going to.
It's only Under Armour. It's actually men's. So.
Yeah, so what?
A lot of cables there.
Well, half the cables I am going to stuff behind the case like you're supposed to.
Jeez, what is he doing?
Hold that, just like that.
Yes, I did. Push it. I wouldn't push him in too tight.
The power supply doesn't really matter.
We got 4 other frickin' screws.
Well, yeah,
Dipweed.
there's 2 of them.
Is there supposed to be something going over here?
No, it's the fan right there. Sucks it in right
Oh, that's
there.
a fan right there?
It's a fan.
Fan.
These are a whole bunch of noobs. This guy that's talking has no clue really what he's talking about. But he knows about guns and trucks. I know about trucks and computers and video games. He knows about hunting guns, trucks, and very little about Call of Duty because he just got an Xbox 360 last year. Last year or 2 years ago?
Well, it was 2 years ago, but it sat in the closet for a year. That's what you want to call it.
That's what you want to call it. Again, I should have bought a modular power supply. Straight up, should have got some.
Was this your old one?
Yeah, that's the one that I broke. My iPhone that I broke.
Yeah.
Here's a 20 plus 4.
Broke his iPhone, man. Right there, just. Nothing wrong with the screen. Just broke it.
No, there's no power going to the screen.
Yeah. Now we got this phone, what I'm recording off of.
iPhone 6s.
Yep. Brand new.
Black Friday, please.
Barely over a week old.
No, actually a week. Yesterday.
Yeah. What was wrong with your dad's phone?
Nothing. We just got new phones because we got a gift card with it.
So you should tell him to take his case.
No, we have to. Oh, the case you can. No, the case is broke, bro.
Okay.
PCI.
PCIe smarts.
PCI. Freaking thing, really.
Gotta be specific.
Specific.
Wait, is all your things plugged into this thing?
Shut up.
Is it?
Huh?
Is all your screws in there? See-way? See?
What are you doing?
My elbow.
That's your elbow grinding against the table.
Yup.
Got it. I just gotta do this. Oh, frick. Are you serious? Gotta do both of them at once.
Now you gotta put all these fans in.
No, I can't fit them all in there. I'm just gonna keep the stock fans in there.
Why'd you buy all these fans in?
Cause I thought they were gonna flip and fit.
How many fans do you need? You have 1, 2,
I was gonna trade on all the other ones.
4. You have 5 fans going here, man. Jesus Christ. You'd think you'd only need a couple of them, not 400 of them. But guess what? When they break, you got an extras.
Yes, that's particularly why I bought them, because these cheap case fans that come with the case aren't very reliable.
Wait, the white ones?
Yeah, the clear ones.
And so I should put these back in the package.
Freaking finally I got it.
How far does your dad go all the way over to what's her name's house?
Freaking all the way out in Bennington!
Nuh-uh.
Yes, boys. I'm gonna have some peace and quiet for a bit.
Where's he going? I thought he was going to,
Go pick up Addie.
in Rockbrook.
No, Bennington.
Where?
Her house is literally